Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. These Marika high-rise leggings are excellent because they have a tummy control panel that gives such good support, especially during my workout. They're really soft and there is about a 4-inch power mesh lined waistband, which is incredibly comfortable. The pocket makes them great to hold my phone or other things like a credit card or money. They have really excellent stretch and they flex really well when I move. And I like that they're so opaque, so I don't have to worry that they might be see-through. I'm a size 12 and I'm 5'10", and these are an extra large. The tummy control, the quality, and the comfort of these Marika high-rise tummy control leggings make them one of my favorite pairs of workout pants. And that's my point of view.